In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix SoundCloud not available in your country problem. Let's get started. If you are seeing this issue on SoundCloud, it usually means the service or certain tracks are restricted in your region due to licensing rules. First, make sure your internet connection is working properly and try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Then you can give a first restart to your app or device to fix any temporary glitches. You should also check if the app is updated to the latest version. Launch App Store or Play Store, search for the app. If you see the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version, as outdated apps can sometimes cause errors. Next up, clear cache for the app. For that, go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, find the app SoundCloud and launch it. Click on Offload app. Click on Offload app again to confirm it. Then click on Reinstall app. With this, your problem might be fixed. Next, ensure your account details like country or region are set correctly. You can also update it. For that, go to Settings, General, Language and Region. Then select the option Region. Here you're gonna find list of countries. Select any of it that will work for you. If the problem still continues, it may simply be due to regional restrictions that cannot be bypassed within the app itself. In that case, you may need to wait until the content becomes available in your country or explore alternative platforms where the content is accessible. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.